Steelmama are the professional manufacturer for roll forming machine in China. This rolling shutter door requires punching of the steel coil before roll forming. Manual feed shears deliver smooth, effortless cutting in a single operation. The rollers are made of chrome-plated shafts to extend their service life. We can customize it according to your needs. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product. Ensure that the overlapping accuracy of the finished product is controlled within plus or minus 1 millimeter. With customizable profiles, this machine is ideal for residential, commercial, and industrial roofing projects, ensuring consistent, professional results with every use. A coil appendant, also known as a coil tipper or positioner. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.